Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. My name is Mac Buckwald, and today I'm delving into the mystery of the Sanko Farms earthquakes and phenomenons. The Sanko Farm has been plagued with earthquakes ever since its creation in 1772, founded by Sir Jerry Sanko.
It's 1986.
1986. But why is this farm riddled with earthquakes? Experts believe aliens. Others like to believe the mysterious Bigfoot. But I like to believe it is because of the tectonic plates colliding and shifting with each other. This is Extreme Action Nature, Earthquake Edition. Hold on to your hats. What is an earthquake? The definition is a sudden and violent shaking of the ground, and sometimes causing great destruction as a result of movements within the Earth's crust, or a volcanic action. Today, right now, I'm in the home of resident of Sanko Farms, Jonah Atkins, and here he is now. Hello Jonah, how are you today?
Quite good.
That's well. Yeah.
That is well.
Now, I hear you have earthquakes here.
No, I don't.
Well, are you sure? Because the city's been plagued by earthquakes.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Why are you talking about it? What is that accent?
Jonah, just let me have my moment, okay? Just let this happen, alright?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now, I've constructed a few questions here for you today. I'd like you to answer them. How does these earthquakes affect your economic balance?
They don't, because they don't exist.
Well, I don't know about that. I'm sorry. Okay. Keep going. How? I've been told that you lost a brother to one.
Don't know who told you that, because I don't have a brother, and I never have. And
Well, a sister then lost in the earthquake tragedy.
Nope.
Okay. Well, thank you, Jonah, for all of your cut.
didn't happen.
Cut. Jonah suffered a mental illness that was caused by the reoccurring earthquakes and the tragic loss of his brother, and he's now never to be seen again because he's gone behind the barn in a pile of dirt. But I wouldn't know that because I'm just the interviewer. That's me. What Jonah was trying to say was that the economic balance of this place is not good because it is constantly needing repairs from all the earthquakes.
Help! Help!
Shut up! I mean, somebody help that random citizen being attacked. Those aren't my dogs. This isn't my gun. I don't know whose gun this is. I found it! Right here. Jonah Atkins has graciously allowed us to do another interview with him. And do it right! This time. Here he is. Welcome back, Jonah Atkins. Thank you for being here.
Well, you know, really didn't have a choice.
You shut up! Or I'll gut you like a friend. I'll gut you like a friend. So Jonah, what did you think of the earthquake in Haiti about 4 years ago?
It was bad. It was bad. It really hurt,
bad,
killed people.
Just like the earthquakes.
Buildings collapsed.
Yes.
It was.
Happened in 2010.
Yeah, it's 2010, 7 magnitude earthquake.
Yes, it was.
It was. Yeah.
Now Jonah, it's much like the earthquakes that happened here, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. And like your dead brother, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Thank you. Run along now.
Yes. Okay.
Run
fine.
along now. This isn't my gun! Whose gun is this? Somebody keeps putting this in my hand! It's not me.
Go.
Oh, hello there. Welcome to Mother Nature Action Nature News at 7. Earthquake addiction.
It's Earthquake Edition, not Addiction.
Well, I'm pretty much addicted to earthquakes. Today, we're going to be studying how earthquakes can change landforms. We'll use this chicken as an example. This is a glass chicken before an earthquake. This is a glass chicken during an earthquake. This is a glass chicken after an earthquake. As you can see, earthquakes are particularly devastating to glass chickens. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. What's really interesting is how earthquakes affect mountains. Earthquakes can create new mountains or make old existing mountains even taller. Thank you for joining me on this breathtaking journey into why Senko Farms is plagued by deadly earthquakes. Here's one now! Oh, hold on to that! Oh, okay, it's gone.